two things that we're doing today. We're identifying common milkweed and counting them so that that information can be used to evaluate milkweed populations.
Monitoring milkweed is important. It's the only host plant for monarch caterpillars, and without knowing what the status of milkweed is across the landscape, we won't know as much about when, where, and how to restore those habitats to really boost monarch populations moving forward as they've been in major decline.
Today's effort is for us to fly and capture the data and process it, and then for Davey, our partner, to evaluate the accuracy and efficacy of our technology compared to manually monitoring for the milkweed.
Typically, we would send field crews, teams of people out into the field to count milkweeds and identify plants and take hard copy data on paper.
We flew a half-mile of right-of-way. It took us 6 minutes to capture the data. Manually monitoring for that required roughly 3 hours. We'll never replace a biologist, but what we can do is help them gather a lot more data, and we can do it very consistently.
Generally with ground surveys, we're relying on data entered through data sheets that is a non-visible type of data, whereas this data comes in the form of pictures. You can see where all of the plants are located on your right-of-way of choice. Clients have something that they can actually look at and that's tangible to them.
When Sony told us they're developing the LR1, we knew we had to base Astro and this drone platform around it. It's small, has no sensor shift, extremely high resolution, easy to interface, complete control over it. And then to see our product come to market and then see people like POLLi and Monarch joint venture using this for the type of cool work they're doing, where they're taking advantage of all those benefits, is just fantastic.
Just in the last few years of monitoring with the drones, we've monitored so many additional acres compared to what we're able to accomplish with field crews on the ground.
I can't say enough good things about the relationship that we've developed with both Freefly and with Sony. If we can help identify where there's milkweed, then we're helping save monarch butterflies.